How to change the admin in a WhatsApp group chat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the admin in a WhatsApp group chat. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Now tap on the group where you want to change the admin. Then tap on the group name at the top. Scroll down and find the member you want to make an admin. Now tap on their name. Then tap on Make Group Admin. That's it. The selected person is now an admin. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.